You need to hear this if you're a nature lover. We're about to explore North America's most iconic wildlife. First up, the American bison. Once thundering across the plains in massive herds, these majestic giants now mainly chill in protected areas. Next, the bald eagle. With a wingspan so impressive, it's the ultimate sky ruler. And who could forget the grizzly bear? These powerful foragers are the heavyweight champs of the western US. Now let's head to the swamps for the American alligator. These toothy reptiles are the kings of the southeastern wetlands. Swinging up north, the moose, the largest of the deer family, often hangs out near water. Meet the red fox, the ultimate trickster with its cunning ways and bushy tail. Watch out for the eastern diamondback rattlesnake in the southeast. It's the largest rattler around. Brighten your day with the northern cardinal's vibrant red feathers. And don't forget the industrious American beaver, whose dams are engineering marvels. Lastly, say hi to the prairie dog, the social burrower of the Great Plains. These 10 animals are just a taste of North America's wild wonders. Stay curious, nature lovers.